Have you ever stared at a spreadsheet full of customer feedback and had no idea how to get something useful out of it? In less than 5 minutes, I'll show you how to build an AI agent in Seclai, one that you can ask real questions about your data and get real answers back. My name is Hosna. Today we're going to be walking step by step through our Get Started guide in order to create this AI agent. And if you'd like to follow along, I'd highly recommend it to just leave it open in another tab and let's get to it. Now, in order to follow along with this tutorial, you're going to have a Seclai account. You'll be signed up for a 14-day free trial automatically, so feel free to take advantage of that. We're going to go ahead and sign in. And once you're signed in, you're going to see we land on the solutions page. So we're going to go ahead and create our first solution. Now we're going to be using the AI assisted mode, which makes it really easy and seamless to create everything that we need in order for our agent to run. I'm going to go over to our docs and you're going to see the example. So we go ahead and copy the name, paste it in, and then also the description, and we could paste it inside our description. And lastly, we need to describe what kind of solution we want. So we could copy this. And once we do that, we could press send and you'll see what it will create. It is generating a plan. It might take a couple seconds to do it. And now you can see what the output is of that. So the plan is that it's going to create a content source, a knowledge base, an agent, and a link to the solution. So we're going to go ahead and press accept and execute, and we'll see what that does right after, so you'll understand what these sections are. And then once it's done, your solution has been created. So we got our content sources, our knowledge base, and our agents. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is go inside our content source. You could go ahead and click on this. It should take us here and you'll see that there's an upload file. We're gonna go ahead and go back to the docs and make sure that we download the sample feedback file. So going back from the beginning of the video, this is where you could find that data set. And now your data set might be different, which is fine. But for this example, we're gonna follow along with this one. I already have it downloaded onto my desktop, so I'm gonna go ahead and select it and upload it into our content source. And then once it's completed, you'll see that the status is complete, that it's inside our content source. We could go back to our solution and click here. And now we could go into our agents. We're not going to worry about knowledge bases right now because it's connected to our content source. So we're set on that. Now our knowledge base is connected to our agent, as you can see here. Going to click on that. So as you can see that this is the agent that it created for us. It didn't fully complete adding all the steps. So we're going to go ahead and click the create with AI. As you can see here, it's showing us the previous input that we gave it. And if we click use, it should now create the steps. We could go ahead and we're going to need this to be on dynamic. So that means we can interact with it and ask it questions and it would give us feedback. And once we have that, you can see our agent is ready. We're going to go ahead and press run agent. We could give it a question. We can use one from the get started page. So we're going to go ahead and copy that and go back and paste it in here. So which bugs should we prioritize fixing based off of the severity and frequency is the question that we want to ask. And if we go ahead and run the agent, this agent says that the status is completed. And now if we go back here, you see that the final step is that it's going to email us a report. So running this agent is going to email us to the email that we are signed up with Seclai. Now, if I go to my email, I'll see that I received an email from Seclai with the report that I asked it to come up with. So you can see that it showed us like the most frequent bugs on what plan that people have mentioned. And then also, if we want, instead of sending an email, let's say I want to switch this step, so I could delete this, and I just want to display whatever the output is inside Seclai. We could do that as well. We could display the results. We could also use the AI assistant if we wanted to, but for this case, all we're doing is displaying the results, so we could just go ahead and save it. We added that step. If we go and run the agent again with the same question, we could paste in the question again here and run it. Now, instead of sending us an email, running this agent will display the output right into our screen in a couple seconds. And as you can see, the same result right in front of us. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.